Hey Rubies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing my Influenster box. So for those of you who don't know what this is, it's an app. I believe it's on Android and iPhone. So what it is it's an app that you go on and you review stuff, and the more you review stuff, the more free boxes that you get. I could put all of this information down in the description box below, but let's not waste time. Let's go through all the stuff in this box. Full disclosure, I did use some of this stuff just now before. One of the things is a moisturizer, so I put it on before I did my makeup. But yeah, so let's see what else is in here and show you some of the stuff you can get. Now, I did get previously, for example, like this is a box of just like random assortment of stuff, but there also are boxes that you get things in particular. Like I got this Marc Jacobs concealer in a box, and that was all that the box was for the concealer. So it's like a nice array of stuff, and let's get to it. So when you open the box, there's some papers in here. This paper is telling me what's in the box and what to do with the box. So this is #Glow-in-20s box. So in order to get more stuff, I have to review the things in this box and just let people know I got it for free, because it was free. I got it for free and I have to review it and just let people know what I think. So it says, go to the app, try your products, unlock badges, take the survey, and then when you're done, they potentially will send you more stuff. Everything is on there. Things from home products to makeup to shampoo and conditioner and coffee and beer, like anything you could think of is on this app. So it's actually pretty cool to give it a shot and see if it's something for you. So let's go through the box. The first thing in here that I'm excited to use is Gold Bond Radiance Renewal Ultra Shea Whipped Shea Butter. So I'm going to put some on my hands just because my hands are kind of dry. And we're going to see if I like it or not. How do I open this? Oh, I got it. I see. Ooh, it's very light looking. So it looks like this. I'm going to put some on my hands. Ooh, it's weird. Like, look at it. Ooh, it's weird. Okay, I'll put some on my hands. That might be too much. Oh, well. It smells very nice. Very nice. I know that Gold Bond is a good brand if you have like super, super dry skin or eczema or something. And then you could buy it at your local, anywhere. So yeah, I know this is a good one. It feels very soft. I'll let you know how it goes as we move forward, if I feel like it's a good type of lotion. All right, let's put the lid back on that guy. It says coconut oil, cocoa butter, and almond oil. Apply liberally to skin as often as needed. Reapply to increase level of moisturization. Cool. All right, I like this a lot. I really like the smell. It's very soft. I do feel like it's a little greasy though. Maybe just because I didn't rub it in all the way, but yeah, I don't know. A little greasy, but probably because it's 3 different types of, or 2 different oils in there. All right, let's keep going. So the next thing I got, who doesn't love free mints? I got Tic Tacs, right? That's pretty cool. So I'm not a big fan of wintergreen, so my dad said he would take them, but these other ones look pretty awesome. X-Freeze Strong Mint with cooling crystals. I'll give it a shot. We'll pop one of these open right now. See if we like the taste. Open here. I'm trying. Okay. It's funny because I actually was going to go buy mints the other day. Good thing I didn't. Open here. I open. Oh, they're bigger than your normal Tic Tac. These are going in my purse. All right, so then the next thing in here is this Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C and Tripeptide Collagen Protecting and Brightening Moisturizer. So this is another one that looks whipped. And I put way too much on my face before because it looked whipped to me. It's much thicker. It's much thicker than it seems. Put way too much on, but it's nice. My skin feels like super hydrated and stuff, and it's definitely, I think I'm gonna bring this to my boyfriend's house and keep it there because I like it a lot. I'm almost out of my moisturizer over there. So yay, awesome. I really like this a lot. You can get this at Target. Actually, that's what they were telling me. The vegan moisturizer visibly brightens and intensely hydrates while protecting skin's natural elasticity for soft, supple skin and a dewy glow. All right. yeah, it says you can get it at Target. Pretty cool. And then this next thing is also the last thing in the box, is also from Target. So this is called Type A deodorant. It says that it's non-toxic, aluminum-free, 100% safe ingredients, sweat-activated technology, intense odor and wetness protection, no marks, just no stains, just a formula you can feel good about. And I actually put it on right before I started filming. Don't mind me sniffing my armpits. It smells pretty good. You have to like squeeze it and then it like comes out. It smells good. This one is white floral linen. I don't know, I like it. I might hold on to this. I mean, I have to. I started using it, but yeah. And this just says, squeeze enough for 3 dollops to appear. Swipe just like a stick. Go take on the day. Also in Target. That's pretty cool. So now that I have all of these products, only thing I have to do is go back onto the app. I have to post about them. So I'm going to post this video. They want you to do like an Instagram post or something. So I'm going to do a post about them and then review them. And then they're going to send me a survey, and then I fill out the survey, and then I could be eligible for more stuff as long as you fill out a review and you claim that everything was free and complimentary, because it was. So yeah, and so Influenster is pretty cool. I highly recommend everybody try it out. It's free and you get free stuff. And all you have to do is review products. And they're not saying, like, you know, you don't have to leave good reviews if you don't like it. You just have to review it. That's what they're looking for. I'll leave all of my Influencer stuff down in the box below, and you can check it out, check me out, follow me. I'll leave some, I don't know if there's like a code maybe you could use, you know, to be my friend or something. I don't know, but I'll take a look and I'll put all that information down below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Bye, rubies.